In this video, we will show you how to make a prepayment if you have not created a username and password. To sign up for a username and password, please refer to our logging in videos. We protect all of your confidential information throughout the filing process. First, go to the website CDTFA.CA.GOV and at the top right, click on Login. That will take you to the Taxpayer Online Services portal. To make a prepayment for a sales and use tax or motor vehicle fuel account, locate the type of account for which you want to make a payment, and then click the File, Pay, and View link above it. That will take you to our new online services page, where there are two ways to make a prepayment using the limited access function. You can click the prepayment blue button, or under the heading Limited Access Function, click the Make a Prepayment hyperlink. Either way, you'll be directed to the prepayment page. Two things to remember: you don't have to file a return to make a prepayment. And if you had no tax liabilities, you are not required to make a prepayment. On the prepayment screen, you will have the option to make your sales and use tax or motor vehicle fuel prepayment online, or print a prepayment voucher. If you are a mandatory EFT filer, you must pay online. For this example, we are going to make a sales and use tax prepayment. We're going to select Make July Prepayment, due August 24th. Next, on the account verification page, enter your account number and select your ID type. In this example, we will enter the account number and limited access code before moving to the next page. Next, you will select your payment method, either checking or savings account, or credit or debit card. We will select checking or savings account. Now you'll be taken to the period payment screen where your account number will be listed, and you'll have a drop-down screen to choose the bank account type. This is where you enter the banking information and payment amount. Next, review your payment information, and if everything is correct, click Submit, and you'll be at the Declaration of Intent screen. It will ask you for your email address twice. That serves as authorization. Your email will act as your signature, and you will receive an email confirmation. Click OK, and you will be taken to the confirmation page, which gives you a confirmation number and summary of your payment submission. If you would like to print this screen for your records, use the Printable View button. Once you leave this screen, you will not be able to return to it. Also, make sure you verify on your bank statement that the payment was successful. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115.